Welcome to our channel Simply Mathematical. In this video, let us do the set 20. Okay, we have 4 formulae in the set. So what we have to do is we have to first do the first 2 and then we have to go to the third and the fourth. Okay, so 20th, the set formula set is, the first one here is cos x plus cos y is equal to, right, 2 times cos x plus y divided by 2, okay, and cos x minus y divided by 2, right. And the second one is cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 times sin x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2. Okay, so first let us do these two and then let us go to the third and the fourth. Now what you have here, you have what, cos x plus cos y, right? So now what we have to look at is this cos a plus b, right, plus cos a minus b. Okay, now you don't worry about this a and b. Okay, so you just consider cos a plus b plus cos a minus b. Okay, now what is the formula for cos a plus b? It is cos a cos b, right, plus when it is plus it is minus, right, sin a sin b. Okay, and then you have plus cos a minus b, so it is cos a cos b, right, plus sin a sin b, right. So this is what you have. Now what happens here, you can see that sin a and sin b gets cancelled. I mean sin a sin b gets cancelled. So what you will get is cos a multiplied by cos b plus cos a cos b. So that is nothing but 2 times cos a cos b, right. So 2 times cos a cos b. So what you have got is cos a plus b plus cos a minus b is equal to 2 cos a cos b, right. So that is what you have. Okay, see, remember that we have to get what, cos x plus cos y here. Okay, that is equal to 2 times cos x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2. Okay, so that we have to get. We have a plus b, a minus b, and a and b on the right hand side. So how to get it? Let us see. Now let this a plus b be equal to x, okay, and a minus b be equal to y. Okay, because you want what, cos x plus cos y. So we have taken a plus b equal to x, a minus b equal to y. Okay, now these are what, these are 2 equations, okay, in 2 variables, 2 linear equations in 2 variables. So how to solve it? By using the elimination method. Okay, so see this, if you write a plus b equal to x here and a minus b equal to y down here, now what we have to do is we have to find a and b, right. Now from here what you can do is cancel plus b and minus b. Okay, so what will remain, a plus a, that is 2a, which is equal to x plus y. Okay, now this implies a is equal to x plus y divided by 2. Okay, so you got the value of a. Now let us find the value of b. So what we will do is again take a plus b and a plus b equal to x and a minus b equal to y, right. Now here what we will do is change the signs. So here we will change it to minus, here to plus, and here to minus, because this is plus, so we have to change it to minus. This is minus, so we have to change it to plus, and this is plus, so we have to change it to minus. Now what happens here, a minus a gets cancelled, and here what we will have is b plus b, that is 2b. okay, which is equal to what? X minus y. right? Okay, so from here what we get? B is equal to x minus y divided by 2, right? So A and B values we have got. Okay, now what we will do is we will substitute. Okay, we will substitute. So how to do it? Now suppose we call this as the equation 1, then this as 2, okay, then this as 3, and this as 4. Okay, so you can see that what equations you have. You have the first equation as this. Okay, then the second equation is what? It is this, a plus b equal to x and a minus b equal to y. Okay, the third equation is a equal to x plus y divided by 2, and the fourth equation is b equal to x minus y divided by 2, right? Now from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, what we will get? Let us see. So if you look at the equation 1, now equation 1 we have to simplify, okay, using 2, 3, 4 and using 2, 3 and 4. So cos a plus b will be what? Cos x, right? Because a plus b is equal to x. Then plus cos a minus b is what? It is y. So cos y equal to, what is this? This is 2a cos 2 cos a cos b. So 2 cos a is what? X plus y divided by 2, right? And cos b is what? X minus y divided by 2. Okay, so what you will get is this. Okay, you will get this cos x plus y divided by 2 multiplied by cos x minus y divided by 2, because a plus b is x, a minus b is y, and a is x plus y divided by 2 and b is x minus y divided by 2. So you are getting this, right? So what we have got? We have got what we wanted. Okay, so that is the formula. Now let us go to the second one. Okay, so if we look at the second one, the second formula is this: cos x minus cos y equal to minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2. Okay, then sin x minus y divided by 2. Okay, this is the formula. We have to get this. Now we will use what we have. Okay, so what we have to do? See, but before that we have to find cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, right? Because the left hand side is cos x minus cos y. So we have to find cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, right? This we have to find. So what is cos a plus b? It is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, right? And this is minus of cos a minus b will be cos a cos b, right, plus sin a sin b. Okay, now what is this equal to? This is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, right, minus cos a cos b, okay, minus sin a sin b. Okay, this is what you will get. So what you see is cos a cos b gets cancelled. Okay, and what you are getting is minus sin a sin b minus sin a sin b. That is nothing but minus 2 times sin a sin b. Okay, and the left hand side what we were finding was cos a plus b minus cos a minus b, right? So this is what we get. Now this is not the final thing, right? This is not the final thing. We have to substitute, right? For a plus b, a minus b, a, b, right? That we have to find. So what we have to do here is we have to let, okay, a plus b equal to x, right, and a minus b equal to y, okay. And now we have to find what a and b, right? So these are two linear equations in two variables. So if you solve it, you know you will get what? X plus y by 2 and b equal to x minus y by 2, right? This we have already seen in the last formula, okay. Now we will have this a equal to x plus y divided by 2, b equal to x minus y divided by 2. So if we substitute it now in the equation, okay, that we have written, that is this one, okay, cos a plus b minus cos a minus b equal to minus 2 sin a sin b. What we will get? So we will get cos of x, right, minus cos of y, right, and what we have is minus 2 sin x plus y divided by 2, okay, sin x minus y divided by 2. So this is what we have, right, when we substitute. So cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y multiplied by sin x minus y divided by 2, right. So this is what we wanted. Now let us go to the third and the fourth one, okay. Let us write the third one. So the third one is sin x plus sin y, right, is equal to 2 times sin x plus y divided by 2 cos x minus y divided by 2, okay. And the fourth one is what? Sin x minus sin y, okay, is equal to 2 times cos x plus y divided by 2 sin x minus y divided by 2, okay. So let us first look at the third one. Now since you have to look at sin x plus sin y, what you have to look at? You have to look at sin a plus b, right, plus sin a minus b, okay. Now if we found out this, okay, if we find this, what you'll get? Sin a cos b, right, plus cos a sin b, right, plus sin a cos b, right, minus cos a sin b, right. This is what we will get. Now what we will do is cancel this, because this is plus cos a sin b and this is minus cos a sin b. So this will be equal to what? 2 times sin a cos b, right. So what we have got? We have got sin a plus b, right, plus sin a minus b equal to 2 times sin a cos b, okay. This is what we have got. Now we have to do what? We have to substitute here a plus b, a minus b, and a and b are there, right. So we have to substitute there, and but we have to find what are the values of a, b, a plus b, a minus b. All these values we have to find, but you already know them, right? I mean, you have already solved it. So let a plus b and a minus b be equal to y, okay. This method you have to do here, and what you will get? as you will get x plus y divided by 2 and b is equal to x minus y divided by 2, okay. So now if you substitute it in the equation here, what you will get? Sin x, right, plus sin y, okay, is equal to 2 times sin a is nothing but x plus y divided by 2 and cos b is nothing but x minus y divided by 2. Okay. So this is what you wanted right here, that is the third one. Okay. Now let us go to the fourth problem. Now fourth formula. Okay. So now you have what? Sin x plus y. What you want to get is sin x minus sin y. Okay. So how to get it? We have to first take sin a plus b minus, right, sin a minus b, because the formula is minus here, sin x minus sin y. Okay. Now what we will do here? You have to find this. Sin a plus b is what? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, then minus sin a minus b is what? Sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Right. Okay, now if you simplify this, it will be sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, right, minus sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay, this is what you are getting. Now what happens here? You see that sin a cos b minus sin a cos b gets cancelled. Okay, and what you will get? Cos a sin b plus cos a sin b, that is nothing but 2 cos a sin b. Okay, so this is what you will get. Now what we have got is sin a plus b, right, minus sin a minus b is equal to 2 times cos a sin b. Okay, this is what we have got. Now we already know. Now again I will not write it here, but when you prove it in the exam you have to do it. Okay, so what is a plus b? A plus b, you know, it is x, minus a minus b is y, so you will get sin y here, is equal to 2 times cos a is what? X plus y divided by 2, and sin b is what? X minus y divided by 2. Okay, so this is what we wanted. Okay, that is the fourth formula. Okay, now using this set formula 20, okay, what we will do is we will prove the formula set 21. Okay, so 21 formula set is this: cos x plus y, okay, plus cos x minus y is equal to 2 times cos x cos y. Okay, this is the first formula of the 21st set. Now the second is cos x plus y, right, minus cos x minus y is equal to minus 2 times sin x sin y. Okay, this is the second one. Now third one is what? Third one is this: sin x plus y, right, plus sin x minus y is equal to 2 times sin x cos y. Okay, and the fourth one is sin x plus y, okay, minus sin x minus y is equal to 2 times cos x sin y. Okay, this is what we have. Now this is fairly easy proof, right? All these four. Let us see why. Now if you look at the first one, you have cos x plus y plus cos x minus y. Now if you look at this, right, what is the formula for this? This is cos x plus y, which is nothing but cos x cos y, right, minus sin x sin y. And this is plus cos x minus y is cos x cos y, right, plus sin x sin y. Okay. Now what happens here? Sin x sin y minus and sin x sin y gets cancelled. So what you will get is 2 times cos x cos y, right? When you add this, you will get 2 times cos x cos y, and that is what we wanted. Okay. So this is the first proof. Now second, if you look at it, is cos x plus y minus cos x minus y. Okay, now this is what, this is cos x cos y, right, minus sin x sin y, and minus of bracket cos x minus y is what? Cos x cos y, right, plus sin x sin y. Okay, so which is equal to what? Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now if you open this bracket, you will get minus cos x cos y, right, minus sin x sin y. Okay, this is what you will get, right? Now what happens here? You can see that cos x cos y minus cos x cos y gets cancelled, right? And this will be equal to what? Now you look at this, minus sin x sin y minus sin x sin y is there. So if you add them, it will be minus 2 sin x sin y. Okay. Now that is what we wanted right here. Okay. Now third one, let us look at. Okay. So we have sin x plus y plus sin x minus y. So if you look at this, it will be nothing but sin x cos y, right, plus cos x sin y, and plus sin x minus y is what? Sin x cos y, right, minus cos x sin y. Okay. Now here you can see that cos x sin y gets cancelled. Okay, and you will get 2 sin x cos y. Okay, and that is what we wanted. Now let us look at the fourth problem. You have a problem, it is formula. Okay, sin x plus y minus sin x minus y. Now this is equal to what? Sin x plus y is nothing but sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, right, and minus of sin x minus y is what? Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Okay. So now if you open the bracket, what you will get? Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, right, minus, okay, now you are opening the bracket, minus sin x cos y minus minus plus cos x sin y. Okay, so what happens here? Sin x cos y gets cancelled. Okay, and what you are getting is 2 times cos x sin y. Okay, so that is what we wanted. Okay, now this was the formula set 21. So that's it in the video, guys. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. I'll see you guys in the next video.